Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to track StockX order and authentication process. So in order to go ahead and track your StockX order, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open the application and click on your profile icon on the bottom right hand side of your screen and make sure that you're logged in. And there's going to be a buying tab in your account that you can go ahead and witness or track your product from. But let me just go ahead and show you an example. As you can see, your order details is going to look something like this, where it's going to show you order status. So if it is confirmed, seller is preparing the shipment, and then it is on the way to StockX, and then StockX will go ahead and authenticate it, and then it'll tell you that it is verified, and then it will be sent to you. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.